Yo, y'all ready? You ready?
I'm ready.
JMBLYA, baby.
Let's do it.
Are you ready?
Clutch boys, baby. Duck Dynasty. You gotta rip our boys from the south.
Deal tipping on Bobos, wrapped in Bobos.
Different, real different. I got sticks, I got stand fake. We still, I'm cold still. Yeah, cold for real. I've been a hustler. Yo.
A million stars.
Alright, so we're finally here in Austin. So we just checked into the hotel and we're about to see what's up. Man, it was raining pretty hard on the way here. So man, we had some scares, hydroplaning and stuff. We here.
Oh, there's no fan.
Here we got Lucas, aka Luke, Houston Rocket Boy 69. We got over here C Stanley over here, Chef Stan. And then we got old boy over here, Dylan Myers, or aka Cockasack.
That's the worst thing to call me.
So we just got here. We're gonna unload. We're gonna get dressed and we're gonna go to try out In-N-Out. First time trying In-N-Out. So let's see what's up with that.
We gonna go hit the city up.
Oh, here's another card right here. Is this yours, Dylan? Keys.
So what do y'all think? What do you think it's gonna be like?
Hey, where's the head strap?
He's gay. Not better. I've already eaten here, so this is already pretty good.
Pretty good.
Nothing beats Whataburger, bro. Whataburger.
I agree with that.
Actually,
Nothing beats Whataburger.
big bet. Big facts. Whataburger.
Alright, well hey, we'll see about that. We'll see how they hold up. I feel like they're both gonna be pretty good, but like in their own different way. So we'll see about that.
Whataburger. Whataburger gang.
Slider gang.
It's a knife.
Alright, let's see how this goes.
It's time.
He's GoProing his first experience with In-N-Out Burger.
He said, let me get that action shot real quick.
Get the action shot.
Oh, it's on.
Maybe. That's gonna be in the water. Is it on?
Look at it. This shit is so stupid.
Spicy ketchup.
Let's see. Ooh. Ooh.
So we're coming back,
Where the
right?
fuck is my hat?
We're coming back, right?
Yes, we're coming back. Yeah, we're coming back.
Alright, so we're starting off the day. Great. Your boys got the head rig over here. Old Jolly Green Giant's gonna be recording over the crowd for us.
Sir.
So what's the plan, man? What do you think? What are you thinking?
We're going out there to rage, buddy.
Oh yeah, we're definitely
We're going out there to rage, have a good time.
Oh, for sure. Well, he figures that out. Yep. All right. So we're actually we're starting off the day with going to the this barbecue place called Franklin's. That's supposed to be pretty fire. So we're gonna be the judge of that. People say they've waited like 3 hours in line just to eat. So they start lining up at like 9 a.m. and they don't start eating until like what 12.
Mm-hmm.
So
let's hope we get a spot.
That's right. Let's hope we get a spot and we get in and out pretty quickly. So we're gonna go downstairs and figure out what the deal is.
Okay.
Yep.
Discussing this outfit changed so much.
It's so like through all.
Oh dang. Who you calling, bro? Huh? Ah, dude, capacity 3000. We gotta get off, bro. It's too much weight.
Shit, I mean, you get me nervous over here. This guy's going crazy for no reason.
Ah, go stupid.
Yo.
Festival ready.
How do I look? This is gas.
Excuse me, would you mind taking my picture?
What's going on, big boy? Bro, show us the whip.
Gonna pop some ollies.
I'm gonna have to get it for
Do
half
a
an hour at least.
tray flip on a scooter.
Check out this big chungus right here.
You know, I might have to get one honestly.
Great deed of the day. Yes, sir. Hey, hold this real quick.
JMBLYA, but it got canceled.
Whoa, hold on. You said JMBLYA got canceled?
Yeah.
You're lying.
No, that's why we look like
They
this.
sent out.
Oh my God, no.
No, okay, it was like throughout the course of the day on Friday and into the early morning hours of Saturday, severe weather exposed the event to grounds and to damage of winds, heavy rainfall, hail. The conditions caused significant damage to the infrastructure, including fences, tents, stages, and flooding throughout the Dakota property. And for the safety of our fans as well as our artists and staff, we're saddened to announce that JMBLYA 2019 in Austin is canceled.
What the?
We're getting a refund though.
Okay.
It's time to go shopping with my money, though.
Alright, so what are we doing all day then?
6th
Street is the fate tonight, I guess. Let's go get the tequila then.
Can you hold this for me? Here.
That's terrible.
Hey, here. Have this L.
Alright guys, JMBLYA got canceled on us last minute because of the rain and all the flash flooding. So now I guess this vlog from JMBLYA is turning into Austin vlog. We're just gonna... Right here at the top, bro. Same exact video.
Dylan.
Right across the street, bro. Why are you walking?
How's that ride?
You have to ride it or you
I mean, I have to glide to this.
How's the scooter ride?
It was great. Wish we could have filmed it, but we ran out of footage on our GoPro. JMBLYA was a bust.
Dude, what are you talking about? JMBLYA was amazing. We had our own JMBLYA, remember?
Yeah, actually, we're gonna cut back to footage of JMBLYA right
Yes,
here.
sir. My boy.
So now we're gonna head out to In-N-Out, maybe Whataburger. Who knows what the deal is? But we're gonna head out there and then bounce out.
Yo, Dylan.
Hey, Charger, man.
destination is on your right. 27
limits.
Guadalupe.
What do we get, boys? What are we eating?
I'm eating In-N-Out, you're eating.
In-N-Out, dude.
Whoa, that's not very YouTube of you.
Oh, sorry. Cock. Rooster.
What are you doing?
Making a ketchup remedy.
Hey, you know what he said?
These.
He said, they don't have Whataburger spicy ketchup. I'm gonna make my own Whataburger spicy ketchup.
There it is, boys. The remedy of the century.
You know, In-N-Out's pretty good, right?
It's alright.
But nothing better than Whataburger.
The burgers are a little small. The only thing good about it is the spread, but then again, if you compare the animal style burger to the, what's it called? To the patty melt, the patty melt slaps hands down. 2 pieces of Texas toast, fucking ranch, what is it called, Rob? Ranch, creamy ranch sauce.
Yeah, the creamy
cheese,
patty melt ranch sauce.
caramelized onions. That's the real animal style right there.
Nothing beats a number one.
Number one is pretty good too.
Number one with cheese.
Now imagine number one with the creamy ranch sauce.
The number 5 is the number 1, but with jalapenos, bacon.
The boys know about their Whataburger.